One of the attractions that has captured the imagination at the state level Shirui Lily Festival is Shirui Lily Grand Prix, which is a traditional wooden tricycle race called Thing Gari. The festival is held to pay tribute to the state flower Shirui Lily, a rare Indian species found only at the Shirui Peak in Ukhrul district of Manipur in northeast India. 14 participants from different villages took part at the competition held at Shirui village. After the fierce competition, soaring Mungleng was declared the winner and awarded with a cash prize of Rs 10,000, while Wungnaothing Wungsek and Steve Vaca were declared as second and third positions. They too walked away with cash prizes of Rs 8,000 and Rs 6,000 respectively. The race was organized in order to preserve the traditional practice of the community and raise awareness on the traditional game of the yore. Traditional wooden vehicles are intricately designed with good quality wood that will last for a long time. In olden days, these wooden tricycles are used by adult menfolks to go downhill before the modern vehicles were introduced. They are also used as a plaything by young boys. The fourth edition of the state-level Shirui Lily Festival opened at Heritage Center, Shirui Village in Manipur's Ukhrul district on May 25th and closed on May 28th.